Alright guys, we are back in Jarrod's bedroom to do a unboxing. Something cool. Let's go see what it is. Alright guys, don't mind the cheapness. We bought this from Amazon. Pumpkin. Cover piece. Wires. Bracket. Anani. Don't you write on that. Thanks to my lovely assistant, Jarrod. Turn it around so they can see your face. Alright, so, oh, it's upside down. So this is what it looks like. I got something just to replace it, so I can have a nicer-ish one. So, maybe one of these days when I'm balling in cash from you guys, we will have something better to put in. But for now, we got something. So this is apparently supposed to do some GPS work, along with being able to go backward, check my backwards when I'm in reverses. So,
can't Englishes.
I'm doing this on purpose. Chill. And then more wiring. So, next clip we will be back with installing it. So, deuces. Alright, so we're in the back, and we're gonna use these booty connectors to connect the wire to wire. We'll come back when we're in the next step. Alright guys, just in case you were wondering where we're at, we have mounted the GPS right behind the mirror, the giant black thing by the mic, routed up here and down here, and we use this weather stripping or whatever you want to call it all the way down until you see the wire next to my sandals. So that's for the GPS, and we'll get back to you when we got some more product or content onto the next thing, I guess. Alright, and we'll update you guys as soon as we get there. Alright guys, we got something special for Rose's car. So we got some new stuff for her car. We been had it, and wanted to go ahead and put it on while she thinks I'm just cleaning the car. So tell me what you guys think it is down in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next clip to see what it is. Alright, in case you guys didn't know what it was, she got her Subaru Ambassador emblem, and then we also got her some carbon fiber sticker overlays for her emblems from Emblem Overlays, I believe, is it? If that's not it, I will let you guys know what it is down in the section below. Give you guys a link. Catch you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, now that it's done, let's go and surprise Rose and have her come take a look. Boing, boing, boing. You might want to come look at this.
I'm not.
There's something broken. I broke something.
Huh?
I broke something.
Huh?
Yeah, I got kind of mad.
You broke what?
I broke something. Just come look. It's expensive. I was sitting there just looking it up. It's gonna cost a lot. Why are you so mad at me?
Why are you recording this, you dumbass?
Because, well, now there's got to be a reaction video to me breaking something on your car.
What did you break?
Wow, you're slow.
I added your emblem.
I know
and
that.
your Subaru ambassador.
That's not breaking anything, Ding Ding.
Yeah, I know. I had to get you out here somehow. What you think?
Like it.
Yes, I know the Subaru ambassador bothers me, but that's just the way your grill is.
Time to wrap my car.
What you got to say?
Thanks. I love you.
This is your stuff, so I don't know what you're thanking me. I'll go look in the inside. I didn't do your horn yet because now that's actually broke. We got to fix that piece. It's over. Where are you going? It's over here.
That was really cold. Oh. Huh. That's cool. Goodbye, Monty.
Alright guys, we did the emblem overlays. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like from the rear. So much booty back here. Ah, geez. For anybody who's wondering, no, I did not go to ECU. That's just a Lonnie shirt because my sister went there. And then here's the front end. Subaru ambassador because Rose is a Subaru ambassador. And I gotta press this bubble out. I'll just get a needle and pop it out. And then you guys saw the inside. Yes, her horn emblem is dented, so we gotta get that refixed or take it down to Subaru so we can get a new one, replace it, and then put on the actual emblem to match the outside and the under tray thingy, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's it for today. I forgot to show you guys the end result for the head unit, so let's go take a look at that. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, it's actually kind of hard to see with this in the way, but here is the new pumpkin head unit. We've already done a lot with it. It's got navigation. Trying to see if I can fix it so you guys can see. Oh, let me not say that. It's pretty much just a phone. As you guys can see, brightness, volume, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. As you guys can see, there's this. Hit the home button. Me and Jarrod spent forever. Sorry, Jarrod, you can't be here to show this to the viewers. But as you guys can see, we thought we were messed up because we couldn't get the music to work. Turns out, on this head unit, which it's pretty cool, you hit the home button, go to Bluetooth, everything is set up.
It's been a long
can't play music. Don't want to get copyrighted. As you guys can see, you got your music, your phone calls, your contacts, the actual dialing, and you can swap between, I think, 3 or 4 different devices that are paired. Then you got your settings. You can actually back it out like an actual Android. Hit clear all. You got the radio. You got your settings. Now the one thing that I do notice is you need a GPS card, or you get a SIM card and apply it to the, ooh, look, an email. As you guys can see, I can get email on here. Well, there you guys go, in case you guys want to email me. But yeah, it's pretty much a phone. You could download, I think you can download apps. Look, you got Chrome, email, DVR. Does so much. Oh look, there's a torque. I mean, that's pretty cool. You can power it down, power it back on, all this cool stuff. So also, we got lights finally. Me and Jarrod stayed up to like 3 o'clock in the morning trying to figure these out. So it's not the brightest in the world, but it's better than nothing. Everything except for this one works. Sadly, we couldn't get that one to display. So the only issue now is where I'm gonna put my gauges. That we still don't know yet. I think at some point when I decide to get another gauge to put in the car, along with the boost gauge that I got for my birthday that still hasn't been put in, we're gonna move this climate control into here. Apparently there's a wiring kit, but that wiring kit's like 180 bucks, so we're probably just going to extend every single wire and then move the wiring underneath here. Let me show you guys underneath here, and drill a hole through the bottom just enough to get the wires through, stick it in. That'll be in there, have the boost gauge sitting here, make it look clean. Or I can cut all of this out right here, move the climate control down here, and then move the gauges right back up here, because I don't like having gauges just randomly mounted like this. Some people do, but I like to go for a more clean look. So yeah, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. What you guys think I should do, if I should just tap the wires and move it back, or leave it where it is and find a new location for the gauges. I'd like you guys' opinion, so let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Now you guys can go like, comment, subscribe if you already haven't, and stay tuned for the next video. We got something great coming in on Friday from a company. Yeah, so you guys let me know what you guys think it might be. I already have Sparko seats in the car, Sparko steering wheel. There's a plethora of stuff that they have to offer. So let me know what you guys think it's going to be down below, also in the comments. And I'll catch you guys either Friday or Saturday. So, deuces.